In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files to add an audio one. Now you need to select it by clicking on one of your apps, selecting audio at the top, or clicking those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, just click on it to attach it. If you want to add a video one, select this icon of a camera and the photo, also at the bottom left corner. Click on your video here, or if you can't find it, select Gallery, look for it here, and tap on Add at the top right corner. If you still can't find it, hit Gallery, tap on Folders over here, and look for your video the same way you would an audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!